5 reasons why Linux Mint is the ideal choice for Windows converts in 2025. Introduction. Switching from Windows to Linux can seem intimidating at first, but with the right distribution, the transition can be smooth and even enjoyable. In 2025, Linux Mint has emerged as a standout option for Windows users. Here are 5 compelling reasons why Linux Mint might be the best choice if you're considering making the switch. Number 1. Familiar and accessible interface. Linux Mint offers a user-friendly desktop that closely resembles the traditional Windows layout. The presence of a start menu and taskbar makes navigation intuitive, giving you instant access to installed applications and system settings. This familiarity can significantly reduce the learning curve, especially for those who are more comfortable with a mouse-driven interface rather than relying solely on keyboard shortcuts. Number 2. Built on a solid foundation. At its core, Linux Mint is built on Ubuntu, which itself is based on Debian. This layered foundation means you get a system that's not only stable and reliable, but also benefits from the extensive support and community of both Ubuntu and Debian. The slower release cycle of Linux Mint further ensures that only the most refined and thoroughly tested features make it into the final product, providing a seamless and robust user experience. Number 3. Comprehensive software management. Gone are the days when managing applications meant endless terminal commands. Linux Mint features an intuitive software manager that serves as a one-stop shop for installing, updating, and managing applications. Think of it as the Linux equivalent of the Microsoft Store, but with the added benefit of a vast repository of free and open-source software. Whether you need tools for productivity, creative projects, or multimedia, everything is available with just a few clicks. Number 4. Exceptional hardware compatibility. One of the standout benefits of Linux Mint is its low system requirements. Whether you're running it on an old PC or a high-end gaming rig, Linux Mint is designed to perform efficiently across a wide range of hardware. With minimal resources required, about 2 GB of RAM, 4 GB recommended, and modest disk space, it's an excellent way to breathe new life into older machines without compromising on performance. Number 5. Gaming is now a viable option. Historically, Linux was not known for its gaming capabilities. However, recent advancements like Valve's Proton have transformed the landscape. Proton allows many Windows-exclusive games to run seamlessly on Linux Mint, often with performance that rivals or even exceeds that on Windows. With Steam and other gaming platforms now easily accessible, Linux Mint is rapidly becoming a favorite among gamers who want a powerful yet open platform. Conclusion. Linux Mint strikes the perfect balance between familiarity and innovation. Its user-friendly interface, solid underpinnings, easy software management, broad hardware support, and improved gaming capabilities make it a top contender for anyone looking to move away from Windows. If you're ready for a change, Linux Mint offers a smooth and rewarding transition into the world of Linux. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody, and don't forget I'll be posting videos daily without missing any day. So don't forget to like my content, share my content on all social media platforms so we can build a larger Linux community and conquer the world with love. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my everyday content. Bye, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, everybody, and don't forget I'll be posting videos daily without missing any day. So don't forget to like my content, share my content on all social media platforms so we can build a larger Linux community and conquer the world with love. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to my everyday content. Bye, have a wonderful day.